Hey guys, Isaac back from Undeniable doing another protein snack review. Continuing on with the Coles protein bars. These are like about $3.50 for 5, which is really cheap. They're not too bad. They have like a little bit of protein in them, but they've got sort of high fat. So let's go over the stats on the back here real quick. This is Mocha flavor. You're looking at 199 calories, 10.6 grams of protein, so that's pretty good. You get 12.4 grams of fat. This is the probably biggest letdown with all these Coles protein bars that we're doing at the moment. But they do have a ridiculous amount of like roasted peanuts and hazelnuts. Hazelnuts? Seems weird. Anyway, you're looking at 12.4 grams of fat and 9.3 grams of carbohydrates with 4.1 grams of fiber. So stat-wise, they're not very good because the fat for me is just way too high. But I think this is going to taste pretty good as well because yesterday was dark chocolate, very yum. Today is Mocha. Should be interesting to see what kind of flavour they've got on the Mocha ones. But they've got the same base, if that makes sense, as yesterday's one. So, okay, it kind of looks like coffee in it. It's got this sort of like, I don't know, kind of like dark coffee, kind of like that dirty, murky look about it. Coffee sort of look, I guess. Again, they've got the same base like I was saying. Very, very nutty sort of base. It is extremely yum. Right up my alley for a kind of snack I would like to eat. The problem obviously is nuts are extremely high fat, so sounds good. Chewy, caramelly, extremely nice still. Okay. A little bit more of an aroma than a taste, I would say, with the Mocha. You definitely can taste it, but it's super subtle. Obviously got the base of nuts and everything like that. You can taste, obviously, yummy. You got that chocolate base on it as well, just down here, yum as well. But the Mocha's more like an aroma, flavour. I don't think they really nailed this one. I think it's pretty good. Tastes still very yum. But I think the dark chocolate tasted really yum. It was nice. Where this is like, it's good, but I feel like it could be better. So rating for this one, I think it's going to be a 6. I like it. I still think it's very yum flavour-wise, but just the macros, the fat being that high. Now, if you're not worried about sort of building muscle or anything like that, and you're just trying to keep under a certain calorie limit, then obviously you can fit any kind of like macros in, and that doesn't matter because you're just focused on the calorie target. And something like this could be a really good snack for you to eat, you know, post-work, something like that. So definitely check them out, guys. They're a budget-friendly option. They're only $3.50 for a pack of 5. When you compare it to other protein bars where you're looking at like $3.50 each. They sort of come in good. Obviously a bit lower than most protein bars. Most protein bars have around, you know, 18, 20. But overall, pretty good again, guys. Definitely a budget option. And flavour-wise, very, very good. Just the fat's a little bit high. So that's it for today, guys. Make sure you stay tuned. We've got a couple cool, sort of interesting options coming up. New sort of blue ribbon ice creams that are pretty cool. And a new couple ranges from Chobani. So stick around and we'll see you then.